the unit. Do you want to try a new hairstyle or maybe a new hair color and you're afraid of commitment? In part 2 of this fall hair color series, I'm going to share with you 6 different colors that you could try on your wig for 2023. Make sure you watch this video to the end because we'll be having you guys help us just like we did in part 1 to pick your favorite color. Based on the color you choose, we will be creating a new video where we style and install the unit color of you guys' choice. My name is Monica of Monica Nicole Hair. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we're gonna jump straight into the video. Dark blonde, color number 1. When you think of fall, you usually are thinking of something more toned down, more chill, but blonde is actually going to be in this year. And this dark blonde on this model that was styled by Anthony Cuts on Instagram is giving everything that dark blonde can give, okay? This is a very spicy, warm look, but definitely it's warm enough for fall, but it's also chill. Like, it's in the chill season, we're gonna be seeing this color. So hopefully it's something that inspires you to try a different color, but we definitely love the dark blonde and excited about the other colors that we have to show you today. So color number 2 is crimson. It is definitely gonna grab some attention, okay? Like, your girl Winnie is winning with the crimson, okay? She looks amazing. We love this color. She wears it so well. And it's definitely a look that, you know, if it's styled and it's colored, like the tones match your skin really well. And it's a nice color that you could have in the fall and you could wear it all the way through the winter. So we are loving crimson. I am loving crimson. Y'all ain't never seen me with no crimson hair, but I might play around with that. We'll see. We'll see what the votes say, what the people say. So our third color is caramel. And caramel hair is nice because it's kind of like a sweet spot, you know? Like, you can do caramel in the summer, you can do it in the winter, you can do it in the fall. And so this look on J-Lo is absolutely amazing. It's not too warm, it's not too cool, and it is definitely working for her. It'll work for most skin tones, which is nice, and it's really easy to maintain. So this caramel hair color is definitely a nice option for those who are looking for something a little more low-key. Please be sure to share in the comments if you've tried any of these colors, if you're inspired to try any of these colors. And also, we love to hear from you, so please hit that like button if you're enjoying this content. The more people like it and share, the more our channel will grow, and we really, you know, appreciate that if you take the time to do that. Again, we will be posting every Tuesday, and this video is actually part 2 of a series. So if you have not seen part 1, you can click here, if I get it together. If not, you can click the link. You can click or find the link in the bio for the first part of the series where we talked about 6 other hair colors. We're getting back to our list. Thank you for your time. So our next color is ginger, and just like copper, when you see ginger, you automatically, or I automatically think fall. They just kind of go together. And so Zendaya, as beautiful as she is and everything, looks gorgeous in this lovely ginger color that she's wearing. And one thing about brighter colors is that they are a little bit more high maintenance. And so something that you can do if you decide to go with the ginger color is to use a color depositing shampoo and conditioner to help keep the vibrance of the color, because sometimes shampooing it, conditioning it, and the maintenance of it, you will start to see the color fade. But ginger is a great option for fall. It definitely screams fall vibes, and it just overall it's a really, really pretty color to wear. This color that I'm about to share next, I'm obsessed with it. I don't know, like I'm in this place where I like these cool browns and these cool blondes. And so this color is Sandy Bronde, not Sandy Blonde, Sandy Bronde. So it's a brownish blonde. And I love it. It's like a beige tone. It literally reminds you of sand at the beach. a beige tone color, and it just, to me, it's like soft and it's calm, but it's also like the kind of color that will make you do a double take. You'll be like, I mean, it looks good, but then it's just like, oh, like, you know. So we like that. We like hair that it says a lot without doing a lot. And so this is definitely one of my favorite colors. And if you have the right ratio of warm and cool, you can definitely make this happen. And yes, let's get to it. I'm regardless of the videos, regardless of like the votes, eventually Sandy Bronde has to be a part of my life because I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed. All right, and so my last color for fall of 2023 that I want to share with you guys, that I feel like y'all kind of like, how you ain't said this one yet, is going to be burgundy. You cannot have a fall color video without throwing some burgundy in there. Burgundy is like the red representation of fall. It's like the perfect red color, but still a fall color. And so it's one of those that, again, it's an intense color. It may take a little work to maintain it, but it can look really, really good on certain skin tones. And if it is worn correctly and styled beautifully, it can be totally amazing. And we have the Frontal Slayer who did this install. She's on Instagram. The Frontal Slayer did this install on one of her clients, and it is slayed, period. So again, we have made it through our list of 6 beautiful colors for the fall season of 2023. Please take a moment to share in the comments of which is your favorite, or if you want to try one of these, we would love to know, or if you wear one of these, we would love to know. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoyed this video. There is a part 1, like I mentioned before, so it'll be linked into this video. Please share, comment, like, subscribe, be my friend. If you like hanging out with us, you know, subscribe. If you like kicking it with us, subscribe with me. I be saying us like I have alter egos. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I'm out, y'all. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you guys in the next video.